Okay, hey guys, we are here having a little fun. We're cooking a Peru dish from the country of Peru. And we're going to give you the Spanish version and the English version of what it is. So I'm going to show you right here, we're preparing the food. Right here, we got some peppers and onions. And what's the green stuff called? Cilantro? What is it? Or whatever she just said, but it's like green cilantro or onions. You've got a bunch of peppers, vegetables here, vegetales. So this is all cut up. This took about 5 minutes to cut all this up. And then we have some potatoes, just plain white potato, blanco potato, white potato. And then we have some rice. Okay, so we're just making a little rice as well. So we got lots of carbs, not too much. Okay, there we go. So it's plain white rice, and you want to clean the rice really good. We clean it, we rinse it out, so it's really good. So here, let me show you on the stove. We got the rice, we have the vegetables. Okay, and then we have some beef right here, carne. This is fresh beef. Let me show you. Right here. Okay, and we just clean this up. We cut it up. We put a little sauce on it, which I'll show you in a little bit what it's called. All right, so we got all these ingredients that we're putting into this dish, and then we're gonna have some different things like some salt that Anna Gabriella is putting in right now. And we're going to mix all this stuff together. And we got some other things here like this. This is an amazing, whatever this is called, fuego, that we cook with. It's a little seasoning. And some garlic. We got garlic. We got onion. And we got garlic. And now she's putting in a little vinegar. We're going to give you all the ingredients and everything you need. A little salt. And she's going to mix all this together here. You can watch her for a minute. And then we're going to tell you exactly what this is in a minute. So I'll be back in a second. Just keep watching. And then we're going to cook this. And this is from the country of Peru. It's a very special dish from the country of Peru. So give us a second here, we'll be right back. We're cooking food, we're having fun. We're living on the Caribbean Ocean, which I'll show you tomorrow. Keep watching our videos. Where we live in that magnificent life, making money on the internet and cooking at night, having fun. But we teach people how to make money on the internet and then how to cook and some of your favorite foods. But the food that we make, you can get our ingredients and you can cook it too. Keep watching our videos, okay? All right, so I'll be back in a second here. We'll show you how to cook this stuff. Okay, now she's actually going to start cooking this stuff. Here's the potatoes right here, white potatoes. Okay, you got to put vegetable oil to cook the potatoes. This takes about maybe 10 minutes, 10 minutos, 10 minutes. And then we're going to take the beef, we're going to put this with this, and then we're going to take the vegetables, everything, the vegetables and the beef and the potatoes and the rice, and we're going to combine everything. We're going to mix everything. So we have an amazing dish from Peru. We're going to give you the name of it, the ingredients and everything, so you guys can cook it too and learn how to cook this stuff. It's amazing. This is like some of the best food in the world coming from the country called Peru. We're actually in the Caribbean, right now, 5 blocks from the ocean in Mexico, cooking Peru food in Mexico. So if you guys want to learn how to make money on the internet like us, we travel the world. I've been to 28 countries in 2 years. And we travel, we make money on the internet. I can teach you how to do it and also cook some good food at the same time. Just comment below this video. All you have to do is say, look, I'm not going to send you a link, I'm not going to send you a video, I'm not going to send you a webinar, I'm not going to send you anything. I'm just going to say, look, if you want to learn how to make $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 in one day or more doing what I do, which is called online consulting. I do it in 26 countries all over the world. I can teach you how to become an online consultant and sell the #1 product on the internet, which is making more millionaires than any other product in the world. All you have to do is comment below and say yes. Just say yes, send me info. We'll get on a live call. I'll talk to you and I'll show you how to do it. It's as simple as that, okay? I put people into business in 1 hour, in 1 day, 1 hour, 1 day, actually 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 hour, 1 day, and you actually start making money in 1 day. I have people making over $10,000 a day. $10,000 a day. Some people are making over $100,000 a month. This is the #1 new millionaire profession in the world called online consulting. I can put you into business in 1 day. Now, it doesn't guarantee you're going to make money. It just guarantees that I know how to do it, and I guarantee that I can show you how to do it in 1 hour, in 1 day. That's what I guarantee. Okay? We'll be back in a minute, and I'll show you how to finish this dish. I'll tell you the name of it, and then I'll give you all the ingredients. Just comment below and say yes or info, and I'll send you everything you need. And you can make this dish from Peru. And then if you're interested, I'll show you how to make a lot of money being an online business consultant. I mean, we're talking $400,000, $500,000, $600,000 a year or more. Some people are making over $1 million. That takes a lot of work. Okay, this is a full-time job. This is no get rich quick thing. This is a real-time business. Okay. All right, I'll be right back. Keep watching my the videos here. Okay, we're back. Now, this dish here from Peru is called lomo sentado. In fact, you say it sounds, baby, just say it. Just say it. Okay, lomo sentado. It's called lomo sentado. And here's the beef. Okay. With the potatoes. With the vegetables. Onion, tomato, peppers. And this green stuff, I'm not really sure what it is, but it's really good. And then you got the rice. Okay? So you got rice, potatoes, beef, everything going on. Amazing. Lomo sentado. And we're going to teach you how to cook it. This is our famous chef right here, Anna Gabriela Perrin-Candre, straight from Peru. And keep watching our videos. If you want our recipe and all the ingredients, just comment below and say info. We'll send it to you. Okay, we're almost done. We will send you the finished product here in a second, and we'll show you exactly what it looks like. Okay. All right. Okay, here we go, guys. So look, we're almost done. I'm going to show you the finished product, but I just want to show you everything is cooking. See the beef? The beef is cooking. The potatoes are cooking. We're about to add the vegetables. The rice is finished. This is finished. So we're about to say, hola, hello. We are about to add the finishing touches. Well, she is, our cook, to this amazing Peruvian dish, which again, we're going to send you all the ingredients. We'll send you everything, teach you how to cook it. But the most important thing is this. If you want to learn how to make money on the internet and travel the world like us, we live on the Caribbean Ocean right now. We're in Mexico. We cook many times a week. We have a lot of fun doing it. But our income, everything we do, our money comes from the internet. Everything that we do is from online consulting. We teach people how to sell products in 26 countries using 2 things. Number 1, social media marketing. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, YouTube. And sell the #1 product in the world, which I'll tell you later after you comment below and say send info. Meaning, I only want to talk to people who are really interested in doing this business. So 95% of the people who watch these videos, and thousands of people watch my videos every single day all over the world, 95% do not qualify, or they're just not the right type of person for the business we do. We're looking for that 5%. So if you think that's you, and you would like to learn how to earn a high 6-figure I'm talking $600,000, $700,000 a year. High CEO income right on the internet. I want you to comment below yes. And I'll also show you how to cook some great food that we're making here right on the Caribbean Ocean. We're 5 blocks from the Caribbean Ocean, and we're having a great time, okay? All right, hold on, wait, don't leave. We're gonna show you the finished product here in a second, but I just want to show proof that we are traveling the world. Here's our little bedroom, okay? We're gonna watch a little movie tonight. I'm going to do a little work on the computer and the laptop and the phone. Here's our clothes. Here's our bags. We just got everything cleaned today. Here's our little bathroom. Okay, we're traveling the world. I've been to 28 countries. 28 countries in 2 years, guys. A little shower. We got our little sink here. Everything we need. Okay, I'm showing you proof. So I'm traveling the world, and I'm showing proof to people that you can make a lot of money on the internet using my system as an online consultant, teaching people how to do exactly what I do, which is making money online as an online internet consultant. And if you would like to do that, and if you would like a nice career, I'm talking get up in the morning, work 2-3 hours a day, and then go do whatever you want, and make $100,000 or more a year. I'm talking $100,000 or more a year as an online internet consultant, working from home, working from anywhere. I'm working from this little hotel room right now that we're staying at on the Caribbean Ocean in Mexico. And look at this, we're cooking amazing food, okay? And we're having a great time. We're having an amazing time. Okay, look, you just kind of put the combination in here. Look at that. Does that look amazing or what? Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow.